So how it's made, here, let me disassemble it real quick.
Okay.
Is you've got your main tube,
Okay.
which is this.
Okay.
It's hollow on the inside. Got two slits here,
Okay.
which you can connect rubber bands to.
Got it.
Which then connect to your launching mechanism, which you slide in here.
And how'd you make the launching mechanism?
You broke a dowel right here.
Okay. Oh, cool.
Slide the dowel right on through. Can definitely be better about this. I'm just bad at this.
No, you're good.
All right. And then you slide that in.
Okay.
Then you hook your rubber bands in.
Got it.
Just like so.
Mm-hmm.
Then once you're ready to fire, you pull this back.
Uh-huh.
Let go.
Okay, cool. Awesome.